Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am share with you some beautiful wooden wall decor clock ideas. It's make your room very beautiful, and it's make your wall and your side table and your living room, your dining table and kitchen very beautiful. And this is very beautiful and modern decor clock, and this is steel circle and under, and this is very beautiful brown and wooden and some steel and light work clock, and this is very beautiful lightweight clock decor, and this is wooden and half white painted clock, and this is very beautiful ribbon decor wall clock, and this is very beautiful cat decor clock idea, and this is very beautiful and modern decor idea clock, and this is beautiful sparrow and some trees decor. I hope you like it my video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please support my channel and share my video to your relatives. Thanks for watching. Thank you. And please don't skip my video, and please watch my video full, and don't skip my video. Support my channel and share my video to your relative. Thanks for watching, and like my video if you like it.